Hello friend, welcome to my channel Health is Wealth. Today we talk about health benefits of Nigella sativa Kalonji. Kalonji, also known as Nigella sativa, black seed, and black cumin, is a flowering plant native to southern Europe, North Africa, and Southwest Asia. Its seeds have long been used in herbal medicine to treat a variety of diseases and conditions ranging from diabetes to arthritis. Prevents diabetes, heals stomach ulcers, protects liver, reduces inflammation, lowers cholesterol, anti-cancerous properties, wards off bacteria, boosts memory. Known in India as Kalonji or Kala jeera, Nigella seeds are found in plenty in our kitchens. This spice, native to South and Southwest Asia, comes from an annual flowering plant that belongs to the onion family. The flowers are dried and each petal gives a few seeds. Kalonji seed powder, when taken along with milk, increases testosterone levels and improves sperm production in men. Kalonji has antimicrobial and antioxidant activity, due to which it is used for various skin and hair problems like boils, eruptions, wrinkles and hair fall. Kalonji is very helpful to control blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes. What is type 2 diabetes? It is a chronic condition that affects the way your body uses and regulates blood sugar. People with diabetes can consume Kalonji oil with black tea on an empty stomach for desirable results. Grows up to 12 inches 30 centimeters tall and produces a fruit with seeds that are used as a flavorful spice in many cuisines. In addition to its culinary use, Kalonji is known for its medicinal properties. In fact, its use can be traced back several centuries as a natural remedy for everything from bronchitis to diarrhea. This article discusses 9 of the most impressive science-backed benefits of Kalonji, plus how you can add it to your diet. Antioxidants are substances that neutralize harmful free radicals and prevent oxidative damage to cells. Research shows that antioxidants can have a powerful effect on health and disease. In fact, some studies indicate that antioxidants may protect against several types of chronic conditions, including cancer, diabetes, heart disease and obesity. 2 trusted source. Several compounds found in Kalonji, such as thymoquinone, carvacrol, thianetol and 4-terpenol, are responsible for its potent antioxidant properties. Cholesterol is a fat-like substance found throughout your body. While you need some cholesterol, high amounts can build up in your blood and increase your risk of heart disease. Kalonji has been shown to be especially effective at lowering cholesterol. One review of 17 studies found that supplementing with Kalonji was associated with significant decreases in both total and bad LDL cholesterol, as well as blood triglycerides. Interestingly, it also found that Kalonji oil had a greater effect than Kalonji seed powder. However, only seed powder increased levels of good HDL cholesterol. 5 trusted source. Another study in 57 people with diabetes showed that supplementing with Kalonji for 1 year decreased total and LDL cholesterol, all while increasing HDL cholesterol. 6 trusted source. Lastly, a study in 94 people with diabetes had similar findings, reporting that taking 2 grams of Kalonji daily for 12 weeks reduced both total and LDL cholesterol. Kalonji is high in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals that may contribute to the development of diseases like cancer. Test tube studies have found some impressive results regarding the potential anti-cancer effects of Kalonji and thymoquinone, its active compound. For instance, one test tube study found that thymoquinone induced cell death in blood cancer cells. 8 trusted source. Another test tube study showed that Kalonji extract helped inactivate breast cancer cells. 9 trusted source. Disease-causing bacteria are responsible for a long list of dangerous infections, ranging from ear infections to pneumonia. Some test tube studies have found that Kalonji may have antibacterial properties and be effective at fighting off certain strains of bacteria. One study applied Kalonji topically to infants with a staphylococcal skin infection and found that it was as effective as a standard antibiotic used to treat bacterial infections. 11 trusted source. Another study isolated methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus (MRSA), a strain of bacteria that is difficult to treat and resistant to antibiotics, from the wounds of diabetic patients. In most cases, inflammation is a normal immune response that helps protect the body against injury and infection. On the other hand, chronic inflammation is believed to contribute to a variety of diseases, such as cancer, diabetes and heart disease. 15 trusted source. Some studies have found that Kalonji may have powerful anti-inflammatory effects in the body. In one study in 42 people with rheumatoid arthritis, taking 1,000 milligrams of Kalonji oil daily for 8 weeks reduced markers of inflammation and oxidative stress. In another study, inflammation was induced in the brain and spinal cord of rats. Compared to a placebo, Kalonji was effective at protecting against and suppressing inflammation. 17 trusted source. Similarly, a test tube study showed that thymoquinone, the active compound in Kalonji, helped reduce inflammation in pancreatic cancer cells. 18 trusted source. Despite these promising results, most human studies are limited to people with specific conditions. More research is needed to understand how Kalonji may affect inflammation among the general population. The liver is an incredibly important organ. It removes toxins, metabolizes drugs, processes nutrients and produces proteins and chemicals that are crucial to health. Several promising animal studies have found that Kalonji may help protect the liver against injury and damage. In one study, rats were injected with a toxic chemical, either with or without Kalonji. Kalonji reduced the toxicity of the chemical and protected against liver and kidney damage. High blood sugar can cause many negative symptoms, including increased thirst, unintentional weight loss, fatigue and difficulty concentrating. Left unchecked in the long term, high blood sugar can lead to even more serious consequences, such as nerve damage, vision changes and slow wound healing. Some evidence shows that Kalonji could help keep blood sugar steady and thus prevent these dangerous adverse side effects. One review of 7 studies showed that supplementing with Kalonji improved levels of fasting and average blood sugar. Similarly, another study in 94 people found that taking Kalonji daily for 3 months significantly reduced fasting blood sugar, average blood sugar and insulin resistance. Stomach ulcers are painful sores that form when stomach acids eat away at the layer of protective mucus that lines the stomach. Some research shows that Kalonji could help preserve the lining of the stomach and prevent the formation of ulcers. In one animal study, 20 rats with stomach ulcers were treated using Kalonji. Not only did it result in healing effects in about 83% of rats, but it was also nearly as effective as a common medication used to treat stomach ulcers. 24 trusted source. Another animal study showed that Kalonji and its active components prevented ulcer development and protected the lining of the stomach against the effects of alcohol. There are a variety of ways to add Kalonji to your diet. With a bitter taste that is described as a mix between oregano and onions, it is often found in Middle Eastern and South Asian cuisines. It's usually lightly toasted and then ground or used whole to add flavor to bread or curry dishes. Some people also eat the seeds raw or mix them with honey or water. They can also be added to oatmeal, smoothies or yogurt. What's more, the oil is sometimes diluted and applied topically as a natural remedy that's said to increase hair growth, reduce inflammation and treat certain skin conditions. Lastly, supplements are available in capsule or soft gel form for a quick and concentrated dose of Kalonji. While Kalonji has been associated with many health benefits and is generally safe when used as a spice or seasoning, taking a Kalonji supplement or using Kalonji oil may have risks. For example, there have been reports of contact dermatitis after applying Kalonji to the skin. If you plan on using it topically, be sure to do a patch test by applying a small amount first to make sure it does not cause an adverse reaction. 26 trusted source. Furthermore, some test tube studies have found that Kalonji and its components may influence blood clotting. If you take medication for blood clotting, be sure to talk with your doctor before taking Kalonji. One review of 7 studies showed that supplementing with Kalonji improved levels of fasting and average blood sugar. 22. Similarly, another study in 94 people found that taking Kalonji daily for 3 months significantly reduced fasting blood sugar, average blood sugar and insulin resistance. Consume it daily with an empty stomach for better brain function. It is very helpful for the elderly age group to improve their weak memory. Ayurveda recommends consuming Kalonji seeds with mint leaves that can boost memory and prevent neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. The protective effects of Kalonji, with its antioxidant content and ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, helps to protect your liver. Kalonji is known to reduce the toxicity of chemicals and protect against liver and kidney damage. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Health is wealth.